So good morning dear students. Now we'll see how to locate, how to represent an irrational number on number line. In the previous video we have discussed that all rational and irrational number means real number can be represented on number line. Now we'll start with root over 2. We have already discussed that root over 2 is an irrational number. So my question is locate means represent root over 2 on the number line. So we'll try to see how to represent this root over 2 on the number line. What means what? Understand the question first. See, on this is the number line here. This is the number line. We don't know where this root over 2 will come. In which point will represent root over 2 on this number line. We know that this point represents 0, this point represents 1, this point represents 2. So which point represents root over 2, that we are going to see. Okay, now you see, first of all, we'll have some construction. Here, I have drawn this number line taking, say, you can draw the number line taking 1 inch as 1 unit. 1 inch equal to 1 unit, means 1 unit means 1 inch. Okay, I have drawn it. So I have taken 1 unit from here to here, it is 1, so it is 1 unit. This point, let me write it as A. This point I am representing by A. This point is A. So I will draw a line with a protector. You can use protector. Okay, use protector and draw a perpendicular line here. This line is perpendicular to this line is perpendicular to this is line. Okay, say X. That means what? I have drawn a line perpendicular to the number line at point A using protector. Now use your scale or divider or compass. You get again whatever is the length, means 1 unit. If you take 1 inch, then take 1 inch and mark with your compass a circle. Take this as center and draw in this way. This is center and compass is here. You have taken this point. So mark this point to be B. Okay, this point is B. Now what is the length from here to here? If you have taken 1 inch, it will be 1 inch. This is also 1 inch. That means I will say this is 1 unit, this is also 1 unit. Now join OB. Now I have joined OB. What is this triangle? This triangle is a right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle, this length is 1, this length is also 1. So this is base, this is perpendicular. So base square plus perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square. So what we can get, just have a look. I'll have it. OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. Now what is OA square is equal to 1 square. What is AB square is equal to 1 square. So 1 square plus 1 square is 2. Therefore, what is OB is equal to? OB is equal to root over 2. This is very important for us. That means this length is nothing but root over 2. Now if this length is root over 2. If I place my the compass here, the needle is here, tip of the pencil is here, that means I have taken the center to be, let me write here O. Okay, the center to be O. This is O, this is 0. Okay, this is O. This is O. So I have taken point O to be centered, and I will consider AD to be radius. That means the needle of my compass will be here and tip of the pencil will be here. Now in that way you draw one arc. I draw one arc means I am going to draw a circle, but I am not going to draw the complete circle. I will take only this part. So I am telling it to be an arc. Okay. Let it intersect this number line at point P. This point is P. This point is P. Now, can you tell me, if this length is root over 2, what about the length of this one? It is also root over 2, definitely. That means what? This point represents root over 2 on the number line. So, we have located this point P locate root over 2 on the number line. So in this way, we can represent all other irrational number on the number line also. In our next video, we'll see how to represent root over 5. If you take root over 5, say, this is all about root over 2. If you are asked to say root over 5, so how we will get, see, root over 5 is equal to, it is what? 2 square plus 1 square, 2 square plus 1 square. That means what? In that case, what you will do? How to locate root over 5 on the number line? So in that case, you will take, this is your 1. Now you take 2 unit and draw here perpendicular. That means this length is what? From here to here it is 2. This is your O, this is A this time, and this is X. Take here, see, 2 I have taken, then I need 1 in this way. So 1 unit you take, this is your B. Draw this one. Now 2 square plus 1 square is 5. 2 square plus 1 square is 5. So 2 square plus 1 square is 5. That means this is what? Root over 5. Now draw. Now somewhere it will be root over 3. Draw one arc in that way. This point P will represent root over 5. Likewise, you can represent, say you are given 13. Represent root over 13 on the number line. You will try in this way. 13 is equal to what? 2 square or 3 square plus 2 square. 3 square is 9. 2 square is 4. So 9 plus 4 is 13. So in that case, what we will take the base to be 3 unit and the perpendicular to be 2 unit, and draw in that way. You can find out what is root over 13. How to you can look. I'm sorry. You can locate root over 13 on the number line also. So hopefully you have understood, and you will try to draw it by your own also. Okay. Thank you.